Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 24 of Building the Batmobile. In this issue, we're finishing off the second wheel, the tyre. We're fitting that on there. But first, we'll look at the episode. Episode number 24, obviously, possibly the last one of the first season. Number 24 or 26, I think, in a lot of American shows. This is Give 'em the Axe. More Riddler action in there. Here we go. It's the one where Robin is tied to a medieval torture rack, apparently. Not fun for him, but there we go. Looking at Punish Not My Evil Son from the comics. Batman and the Teen Titans. But back to the world's finest. Is that somewhere between Detective Comics? Sure, Superman, Batman sort of crossover. Adventure Comics, yeah. It's interesting that there was multiple comics with different names under the DC heading, but they all shared characters amongst them. Quite cool. So there we go. That's that. More Batman and some sort of, I don't know, gay pride monster. I'm not entirely certain. So we've got our next tyre and the interior piece and some screws, which we're going to be adding the original part from last time into, putting the tyre in between them, putting the screws in, and that's what we've got to do now. So there we have it. From last time, we've got our piece. We've got a tyre this time. These are heavy, solid rubber tyres. Now, normally for fitting tyres, we need to put them in hot water, but with the way this one fits, you don't. That will pop on that side. This goes on from the other side, like that, and 5 screws will hold it in place. So let's get some screws out. We've got there 3. 5. One left in there? Yes, there is. Get that aside, put that in the box for spares. And let's see about getting this in there. They are all equidistant around, so you don't actually have to get them a particular way around. Screws should go through there. That will hold everything together. That didn't hold in there though. Let's try that again. It's lined up. I can see the hole through there. Let's try a different hole just to be sure. I know we're going to end up using all of them. So you get that lined up. Not actually lined up. I'm not aiming through the right bit. Might have to squish it a little bit to get it in lined up. Let's just see where that bit is. It is there. That should be right. Let's try that again. No, that's not right. I'm not lining that up properly. Let's oh, maybe I am. I think I did that time. That might be working there. No, it's not. I'm gonna have to get some glasses on to see. The trouble with a lot of this is it's black against black, which is not very helpful. So let's try that again. That is there. That is there. We there. I think I'm just not compressing it enough to get it properly lined up. I think it's going to take a little bit more force to get these lined up properly. One of these is not going in where it should. Definitely all the way in. That bit needs to line up on there, then that bit needs to line up on there. Yeah, there's just that bit of extra give there. So it's going to be a case of compressing it a bit, lining it up, getting the screw in. I think once the first one is in, the rest of it should be easier. How's that? That's gone in. Yeah, there you go. Not rattling around anymore. So let's. I'm going to work my way around rather than jumping over to the other side, because I think I'm going to have the same trouble if I jump over at the other side as if I go next to it. Most of the hard work should already be done. Get that one in there. Start that tightening up. And go around the other side and do the same again. Get it lined up properly. Apologies again if all you're seeing is the back of my head, but not much to see on this anyway. Let's get those in. 2 more to go. One over there. And then the last one in. Pretty sure next time we will be getting the other internal, the brake disc and things like that, like we had on the other wheel. And then we'll be installing this wheel. So I'm looking forward to doing that. I'll get all of these screws tightened up, but apart from that, the other wheel is done. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you for more very soon. Bye bye for now.